Today I'm playing against Martin, but my pieces are old, which means after they move, they have to rest for 5 turns before they can move again. This should be interesting. Good luck, Martin. I'm going to play e4. Hey guys, before we get back to the video, some of you have already noticed this, but I did create the Chess Vibes in Spanish channel. There's a link. If you go to the channel homepage, you go to the channels, it's linked there, so you can just find it easily that way, but it's basically going to be all my most popular videos dubbed in Spanish. And I realize most of you watching this video speak English, because that's why you're listening to me talking in English, not in Spanish. But if you wouldn't mind, it would mean a lot to me if you could just go check it out. Maybe like a couple of the videos, watch them for a few seconds, write a comment or something, just trying to get the YouTube algorithm to kind of jumpstart that channel a little bit. That would mean a lot to me. My dad is actually the one who's dubbing those videos. He's not really a YouTuber, but he's giving it a shot, and he's doing a great job so far. So if you could just leave like an encouraging comment, I think he would appreciate that a lot, and me too. So anyway, just wanted to let you guys know that's available. If you have friends who speak Spanish or something, you can share it with them. That I would appreciate that. Okay, having said that, let's get back to the video. So my pawn is now resting, and I can't move it for 5 turns. But what I can do is go for the 4-move checkmate. Oh, Martin stopped it. Okay. So I can't even move this to take that if I wanted to. I don't think I want to do that anyway. Let's play knight to f3. So all of these pieces are still resting. I'm going to have to kind of keep track of this. I will play castles. So I guess my king is resting now. Let's play c3. This pawn is resting. So I play d4. I couldn't take it. So maybe I won't do that. Let's just play d3. And let's see, so which pieces are still resting? I'm going to have to keep track of this by looking at the notation, I guess. Okay, so this one is stuck, this one is stuck, this one is stuck, the king is stuck. The knight, 1, 2, 3, 4, the knight is still stuck. Okay, let's go knight to d2. Wow, queen to g4. I'm going to chase the... Actually, no, I'm not. I'm going to just leave it. I'm going to play queen to b3, lining up here. Wow, he saves it. Martin, an impressive move by Martin there. Okay, so let's see. So these are the pieces that look to be stuck right now. Okay, let's play. Ooh, I can play d4 because now this pawn. Yes, it's going to be freed up. So, oh, but I can't play d4. This pawn is still stuck. Never mind. I mean, still resting. Okay, I guess we'll just play rook d1. That seems like a safe move. King to d7 played by Martin. Wow. Can I play d4 yet? 1, 2, 3, 4. I can't play it yet. I can play rook e1 though. Okay, can I play d4 now? It has to rest for 5 moves. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. So this one is done resting. And here we go with d4. Oh, but I can't take or move again. Too bad. All right. Let's play a4. Let's just kind of waste a move over here. Okay, the king moves. Which piece can I move? Man, if I lose too many pieces, I'll just get stuck. Just realized that. Okay. Well, now we can do a king move. So let's just kind of waste a move here with the king. And then, okay, I could play bishop d5. I wouldn't be able to take it, though. Maybe I'll go for h3 and attack the queen. Seems like a decent plan. He saves it. Okay, he's kind of threatening here, so I think I should probably defend. Can I play knight to h2? Yeah, that knight is not frozen, so we'll go here. Knight to h2. Okay, what pieces? Let's do a check. This is frozen, this is frozen, this is frozen, this is frozen, this is still frozen. Okay, those are the pieces that I cannot move. But I can move anything else. Let's go for a defensive move here. Knight back to f1. Okay, so this is frozen. These are the frozen. I'm just going to have to remind myself because it's getting a little bit harder to remember now. So there we go. Okay, Martin, how do we want to do this? So my d-pawn now can move. Great, so I will take that. Okay. So resting. Nope, it's not. That one's done. This is resting. This is resting. This is resting. This is resting. Okay. So I can pretty much move whatever I want. How do I get to his king? That's the big question here. Should I take this just to kind of open things up? Let's do it. Let's actually sacrifice, try to get to his king here. Okay, we can't move it, but that's okay. We'll just leave it sit there. It seems like it should be time for some rook moves. So let's just play a... Yeah, we'll play rook to d2. How about that? Okay. So the rook is frozen. The bishop is frozen. The knight here is frozen. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this knight's frozen. Okay. Well, let's double up on the file, I guess. Okay. So these guys are stuck. Still stuck. Still stuck. Okay. But everything else is free to move. Should I go here with this bishop? Let's go here and create another attack. Ooh, going for the queen. The queen is free to move. Probably should save it, or I could push this pawn up. Yeah, let's push the pawn up and I'll save my queen move for a different time. How about that? Okay, I think, let me check. I think the bishop is freed up now. Let's see. Bishop takes b6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nope, it's got to rest for one more move. Too bad. Okay, so this is still resting. Still resting. But we can make a knight move. Let's go for knight to g3 to attack the queen. He doesn't see it, but I can't take the queen. Ah, but the bishop. Let's just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. The bishop is freed up. I think I'm going to take the rook. Okay. Martin goes back to g6. He saves his queen. So what's frozen? This one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. All right. So we can move this knight if I wanted to. I think I will play knight to f3. He's attacking that. I can't really do anything about it, unfortunately. I'm just going to waste a move here with king to h2. Since most of my pieces are frozen. Yeah, this is still frozen. This is frozen. This is frozen. Bishop is available now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. This bishop just became free. Let's see if Martin's going to notice this. Okay, he did. All right. So frozen. 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 Okay. It's risky. It's risky, but I'm going to do it. I'm going to bring the queen in. Now, the queen is stuck for the next 5 moves, but it's in an aggressive position. This pawn is free to move. Let's go with the pawn. Okay, so frozen, 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 frozen. This knight is available. Not sure where I would want to go. I could go there. I could play like b4, just I don't know why. I could move my rooks. I really want to take this, but I can't do that. All right, let's go knight f5. See what Martin's going to do about that. Okay, he takes that. This pawn is fine. I can take back. Okay. What is frozen? Well, the knight and the pawn are gone. So then this one's frozen, this one's frozen, and this one's frozen. Okay, Martin, what are we going to do here? Ooh, I could actually take this. This pawn's pinned. He does have the knight, though. Yeah, I would want the pawn first. All right, let's not do that. Let's just take it slow. Let's just waste a move here with my king. Since my king is rested enough. And I just want to kind of waste some moves. So let me just play b3. Okay, so frozen, frozen. Frozen. That's what we have. Oh, my queen. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, my queen's available. Queen is available. Let's do it. Bringing the queen in with check. Now the queen's frozen. Pawn's frozen. Frozen. And okay, that's it. Bishops are now available. And this pawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. This pawn is available. Here we go. Okay. Frozen, 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 frozen. That's where we're at right now. I guess we can just maybe move the bishop to go for the pawn. Seems like a good move. So all of the, no, these are frozen, but not this bishop. This bishop is It's free to move. Should I do it? Yeah, let's go. We'll move it. We'll move it there. Okay, let's do a check. Stuck, 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 stuck. These are the 5 pieces. Okay. So rooks, the knight can move somewhere. Let's bring the rook over. Actually, because the bishop's here, I'll bring this rook over. Let's do that. Okay, he goes back. This knight on f3 is fine. So I think we'll come in with the knight. Okay. Can I move my queen yet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Queen just opens up. Perfect. So we can save the queen by taking here. Okay, it is a trade, but my bishop... Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's only been resting for 4 moves. That old bishop is not ready to take the queen. I totally miscalculated that, guys. Okay. Wow, all right. That was not good. So this is frozen, this is frozen. All my pieces are basically stuck. I can't move any of those. Wow. Wow. Okay. I'm going to push the pawn because I can't do much else. And he saves his queen. Pawn is frozen now. The knight is frozen. The rook is frozen. And the bishop is frozen. And now my bishop is free, but Martin saved his queen. That's too bad. Okay. Let's go for the check. So this is frozen, 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 and frozen. Oh, I can take the rook. I can take the rook. This one just became available. There we go. There we go. All right. So frozen, 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 frozen. These are the 4 that are stuck. So I can move my rooks. Or this pawn. Probably don't want to do that. I guess let's just play... No, maybe I will. Actually, yeah, I will. I'm gonna go be aggressive here. Oh, he takes the bishop. This is gonna be really difficult once I run out of any more pieces. Because they're all gonna be stuck and I can't move them. Man, so you gotta beat Martin quick in this mode. Oh, let's see if we can finish off. We might still have a chance. So this is stuck. This is stuck. This is stuck. And that's it. Okay, so everything else is fair game. I'm going to have to reposition these, I think. Let's reposition the knight over here. Okay, can we move the pawn yet? 1, 2, 3. No, it's still stuck. Man, all of these are still stuck. Oh, but you know what I can do? I can throw in the check. Okay, so frozen, frozen, frozen. Frozen. But we can get a queen. We can get a queen. And hopefully Martin doesn't try to check my king twice or I'm going to lose. But let's go ahead and get the queen. Oh, that's stuck. He goes there. Okay, so let me see. What can I even move? Stuck, 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 stuck. So I can move the bishop if I want to. Which actually makes sense. Let's go ahead and put it right here. Mostly because I want to discourage Martin from going there with the queen. Not that he will see that, but that's my idea anyway. Okay, so this is stuck. This is still stuck. This is still stuck. And this, all 5 of those are stuck right now. Wow, so I have to either do a king move or a pawn move. Let's go with g3. I think that gives my king some more breathing room. Probably a safe choice. Okay, so which piece opened up here? It was the rook on d6 is now rested. Okay. Rook on d6 can move. I don't really have a great move with it. I could come back here to kind of defend the back rank. Or I could just save that one and make like a king move. Yeah, let's do that. I'll use a king move here. I'm trying to like let some of these pieces reset so that I can deliver the checkmate is what I'm going for. So frozen, frozen, frozen. Queen is still stuck. The rook is still stuck. So I have a knight. I have a knight and a rook that I can use. This would force the king to go here. This would... Oh, should I try it? Or should I just go here with the knight to take away that square? Maybe that's the best option, actually. Let's go knight d4. Okay, so he moves there. So what do we have? Stuck, 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 stuck. And That queen is still stuck. Man, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so I can use either rook here. I have checkmate in one move, but I can't do it because the queen is frozen. Oh, but the queen will be available next move. There you go. That's it. This and this. That's checkmate. Cool, we did it. Let me just verify. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Queen is rested for 5 moves. Good game, Martin. But you just lost to a person with old pieces, I guess. That was kind of fun. Could be challenging against a more difficult bot, but I think I'm going to end it right here. As always, if you have ideas for games against Martin, let me know down in the comments. Stay sharp, play smart, and take care.